Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve network adapter problems on your Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issues guys. For that go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Open it and go to other troubleshooters and scroll down guys. Here is network adapter option, click on run. Close the troubleshooter. If you have any network issues in here, it just be resolved your problems guys. And let's go to next step guys. For that go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator, and in here you need to type ipconfig ipconfig space slash flus guys dns, press enter guys. Windows IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Next you want to type nets guys space winsock space reset, press enter. Successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Just want to restart your PC guys. If the problem not getting resolved after restarting your PC, we can also try resetting all your network adapters. That can able to resolve the problem guys. For that go to search menu and type network reset, open it. And this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall all other networking components afterwards, such as VPN clients, softwares and virtual switches. Restart now, click yes, close out of here, and you just want to restart your PC guys. This hopefully can resolve your problem. Hopefully that can able to resolve your problem guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.